5 money rules that keep you poor forever. What if the money rules you were taught your entire life are actually keeping you poor? Most people follow the same financial advice their parents taught them, the same advice their teachers taught them, and the same advice society keeps repeating. But here's the brutal truth. That advice was designed for average people who want average results. If you want real wealth, if you want real financial freedom, you need to unlearn what you've been taught. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 money rules that are quietly keeping you poor and what wealthy people do differently. Stay until the end because rule number 5 is the one that destroys most people's financial future. Let's unlock the truth. Rule number 1: save your money in a bank and you'll be safe. From childhood, we were all told, save your money, put it in the bank, and it will grow. But here's what nobody tells you. Your bank gives you maybe 1 to 2% interest per year, but inflation grows at 3 to 8% per year. Do you know what that means? Every single year, your money is actually losing value. You're not saving money, you're slowly losing it. Wealthy people don't let their money sit in banks. They put their money to work. Through investments, through assets, through businesses. Your money should be making more money for you every single day. Saving in a bank feels safe, but it's one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. Rule number 2: get a good job, work hard, and you'll become rich. This is probably the most dangerous financial myth ever created. Here's the truth. No matter how hard you work at a job, you are trading time for money, and time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can only work so many hours, so your income will always have a ceiling. Wealthy people don't just trade time for money. They build systems that make money for them, investments that grow while they sleep, businesses that run without them, assets that pay them every single month. Working hard is important, but working hard at a job alone will never make you truly wealthy. You need to start thinking beyond the paycheck. Rule number 3: all debt is bad. Avoid it at all costs. Now, this one is tricky because, yes, bad debt will destroy you. Credit card debt, car loans for luxury vehicles, buying things you don't need with money you don't have. That is bad debt. Avoid it completely. But there is something called good debt, and wealthy people use it all the time. Good debt is borrowing money to buy an asset that generates more money than the debt costs you. For example, borrowing money to invest in real estate that pays you rental income every month, or borrowing to start a business that generates profits. The rich use good debt as a tool to build more wealth. The difference between rich and poor is not avoiding debt completely, it's knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. Rule number 4: your home is your biggest and most important asset. This is one of the most popular financial myths, and it has kept millions of people from building real wealth. Here's the truth. Your home is not an asset if it's taking money out of your pocket every month. Mortgage payments, maintenance costs, property taxes, insurance, these all take money away from you. A true asset puts money into your pocket. Now, if you rent out part of your home or if your property generates income, then it becomes an asset. But a home you simply live in is actually a liability in financial terms. Wealthy people focus on buying income-generating assets first, not just expensive homes to impress others. And rule number 5, the one that destroys most people's financial future: money is the root of all evil. This belief is planted deep in most people's minds, from childhood, from religion, from society, and it is silently sabotaging your wealth. Because here's the truth. If deep down you believe money is evil, your subconscious mind will repel it. You will self-sabotage. You will feel guilty for wanting more. You will never truly commit to building wealth. Money is not evil. Money is simply a tool. It can be used for good or bad, just like any other tool. Money gives you freedom. Money gives you choices. Money lets you help your family, support causes you believe in, and live life on your terms. Change your relationship with money, and you will change your financial future forever. So there you have it, 5 money rules that are quietly keeping you poor, and what you should do differently. Rule 1: stop letting money die in a bank. Rule 2: stop trading only time for money. Rule 3: learn the difference between good and bad debt. Rule 4: stop thinking your home is your biggest asset. Rule 5: change your relationship with money forever. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe to Wealth Unlocked right now and comment below which rule shocked you the most. Comment the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 and let me know. Thanks for watching, keep building your wealth, and I'll see you in the next video.